You've just sent money to someone on Cash App. It's a quick and easy way to pay back a friend, split a bill, or even send money to family. But have you ever wondered how long it takes for that money to actually get to the other person? And what about when you're the one receiving the cash? Does it hit your account instantly? Let's dive in and find out. We all love instant gratification, right? So when you send money through Cash App, it's natural to expect it to arrive immediately. And in most cases, it does. But there are a few factors that can affect the speed of your transaction. First off, let's talk about sending money. Once you hit that send button, the funds are typically transferred instantly to the recipient's Cash App balance. They can then use that money to send to someone else, buy something in-app, or cash out to their bank account. Simple, right? However, there's a catch. Sometimes, Cash App might put a hold on the money before it reaches the recipient. This usually happens for security reasons, especially if there's something unusual about the transaction. For example, if you're sending a large amount of money to someone you've never sent money to before, Cash App might want to verify your identity. This can cause a delay in the funds reaching the other person. Now, what about receiving money? When someone sends you money on Cash App, it usually shows up in your balance instantly. You can then use it right away within the app. But if you want to transfer those funds to your bank account, that's a different story. Cash App offers two options for cashing out, standard and instant. A standard transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank account and it's free. Instant transfers are faster, but they come with a fee. The fee varies depending on the amount you're transferring, but it's usually between 0.5% and 1.75% of the total amount. So, to sum it up, sending money on Cash App is generally quick and easy. It usually happens instantly, but there can be delays if Cash App needs to verify your identity. Receiving money is also typically instant, but cashing out to your bank account can take some time. It's important to note that these are general timelines, and there can always be exceptions. If you're experiencing issues with a Cash App transaction, it's best to check the app for more information or contact Cash App support. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.